Welcome to our power supply showdown. Today, we are comparing two popular options, the Thermaltake Smart BX1 750W and the CORSAIR RM850e. Both power supplies promise reliability and performance, but they cater to different needs and budgets. Let's dive into their specifications and see how they stack up against each other. When it comes to pricing, the Thermaltake Smart BX1 750W is priced at a budget-friendly $69, making it an attractive option for those looking to save money while still getting a reliable power supply. On the other hand, the CORSAIR RM850e comes in at $164, reflecting its higher capacity and advanced features. While the CORSAIRs may be more expensive, it offers a fully modular design and higher efficiency ratings, which could justify the price for some users. Efficiency is crucial for power supplies, and here we see a significant difference. The Thermaltake Smart BX1 is rated at 80+ bronze, which means it operates at a decent efficiency level. However, the CORSAIR RM850e boasts a cybernetics gold rating, indicating superior efficiency and lower energy waste. This can lead to savings on your electricity bill over time, especially for high-performance builds. Another important aspect to consider is cable management. The Thermaltake Smart BX1 is a non-modular power supply, which means all cables are fixed and cannot be removed. This can lead to clutter in your case. In contrast, the CORSAIR RM850e features a fully modular design, allowing users to connect only the cables they need. This not only simplifies installation, but also improves airflow within the case, making it a preferred choice for many builders. In conclusion, both the Thermaltake Smart BX1 750W and the CORSAIR RM850e have their strengths and weaknesses. The Thermaltake offers affordability and decent performance for budget builds, while the CORSAIR provides superior efficiency and modularity for high-end systems. Depending on your needs and budget, either could be the right choice for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons.